In my video, I will give you instructions to remove a special browser hijacker called Protect My Search app. Protect My Search app. It works as a typical browser hijacker that changes the default search provider. For example, you might prefer to use Google search, but because of this Protect My Search app extension, the default search may be changed to Yahoo, to Bing, or to something else. I recommend you to be careful because there is no any additional safety that would be rendered by this extension. It's simply the trick to make you actually install the extension. If you click on continue, you will be then brought to a special page that will instruct you to install this extension, and then when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results, as I said, will be redirected through some suspicious resource. It might show some Google results in certain cases, but often these results will be hijacked by some other search engine like SafeFinder or something like that. I recommend you to be very careful and to remove this extension as soon as possible. For this purpose, go to the menu, click on More Tools and select Extensions. Now you will find this Protect My Search app extension in place, deactivate it and then remove it. Considering the fact that most likely this extension was installed without your permission, I recommend double-checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. So when the software is downloaded and installed, start the application and click on Start Combo Scan. This will begin the research of your Mac right away. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.